To find dimensional formula of magnetic flux phi, where phi is equals to B into A, we must know that F is equals to BIL, where B is equals to magnetic field is equals to force by I into L. In place of B, we can write F by I into L into A. So, force, dimensional formula of force is M power 1, L power 1, T power minus 2 by, here I represents current A into L, length, area A, L power 2. On cancellations of length and reciprocation, we get M power 1, L power 2, T power minus 2, A power minus 1. Dimensional formula of magnetic flux. To find dimensional formula of self-inductance denoted by the letter L, we know that E is equals to half Li square. Here L is equals to E by I square. Here E stands for energy and I stands for current. We should know the dimensional formula of energy, M power 1, L power 2, T power minus 2. Here I stands for current A, here square, so A into A. And on reciprocate, we get M power 1, L power 2, T power minus 2, A power minus 2. This is the dimensional formula of self-inductance, letter L. To find dimensional formula of capacitive reactance, Xc is equals to 1 by 2 pi Fc. Here F represents angular frequency, C represents capacitance. So 1 by angular frequency T power minus 1 and capacitance dimensional formula M power minus 1, L power minus 2, T power 4 and A power plus 2. On reciprocate, we get M power 1, L power 2, T power minus 3, A power minus 2. This is the dimensional formula of capacitive reactance. To find dimensional formula of inductive reactance, XL is equals to 2 pi F into L. Here F represents angular frequency, L represents inductance. The angular frequency dimensional formula is T power minus 1, where inductance is M power 1 and L power 2, T power minus 2, A power minus 2. So we get M power 1, L power 2, T power minus 3 and A power minus 2. This is the inductive reactance dimensional formula, M power 1, L power 2, T power minus 3, A power minus 2. To find dimensional formula of resonant frequency, the formula is inductance into capacitance whole power minus 1 by 2. Inductance formula M power 1, L power 2, T power minus 2 and A power minus 2 into capacitance M power minus 1, L power minus 2, T power 4 and A power 2. On cancellation of mass, length and current except temperature, the temperature would be T power minus 2 into whole power half 1 by 2. On cancellation of 2, we get T power minus 1. The resonant frequency dimensional formula M power 0, L power 0, T power minus 1. To find dimensional formula of relative luminosity, the formula is luminance flow source of wavelength by luminance flux of weak sensitive wavelength. It is same dimensional formula, luminance flux M power 1, L power 2, T power minus 3 by luminance flux of peak sensitive wavelength, same M power 1, L power 2, T power minus 3. On cancellation, we get M power 0, L power 0, T power 0. It is dimensionless, no dimensions. To find dimensional formula of quality factor of the coil, resonant frequency into inductance by resistance. The resonant frequency dimensional formula is T power minus 1. Inductance M power 1 and L power 2, T power minus 2 and A power minus 2 by resistance M power 1, L power 2, T power minus 3, A power minus 2. And cancellation of current and mass as well as length, we get M power 0, L power 0, T power 0. It is dimensionless. The quality factor dimensional formula is M power 0, L power 0, T power 0. There are no dimensions. To find dimensional formula of luminosity of radiant flux or radiant intensity denoted by the letter I, luminosity of radiant flux is equals to radiant of power by solid angle. We must know the dimensional formula of radiant power. M power 1, L power 2, T power minus 3 by solid angle is dimensionless. It is M power 0, L power 0, T power 0. So, the luminosity of radiant flux dimensional formula is M power 1, L power 2, T power minus 3. And we can derive from radiant intensity. I is equals to P by omega. P by omega, radiant power by solid angle. M power 1, L power 2, T power minus 3 by M power 0, L power 0, T power 0. Answer is M power 1, L power 2, T power minus 3. To find dimensional formula of luminous power, luminance flux of source. The formula is luminous energy by time. We must know the dimensional formula of energy here. M power 1, L power 2, T power minus 2 by time t. On reciprocal of time t, we get M power 1, L power 2, T power minus 3. To find dimensional formula of luminous intensity illuminating power of source. The formula is luminance flux by solid angle. We know the formula of luminant flux is M power 1, L power 2, T power minus 3. By solid angle, M power 0, L power 0, T power 0. It is dimensionless. So, the formula is M power 1, L power 2, T power minus 3. Same. To find dimensional formula of intensity of illumination or luminance. The formula is luminance intensity by distance whole square. Intensity, luminance intensity formula is M power 1, L power 2, T power minus 3 by distance L square. On cancellation of length dimension, we get M power 1, L power 0, T power minus 3 as dimension formula of intensity of illumination. M power 1, L power 0, T power minus 3. To find dimensional formula of illuminance or illumination, the formula is luminance flux incident by area. Luminance flux dimensional formula is M power 1, L power 2, T power minus 3. And area is length into breadth, so it is L square. On cancellation of length, we get M power 1, L power 0, T power minus 3. Here M power 1, L power 0, T power minus 3 is the dimensional formula of illuminance.